Hi, here we have the mean of all 4-digit even natural numbers of this form is how much? Now since we want all 4-digit even natural numbers, now for this number to be even, B should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. B has to take one of these values. Okay, and A is greater than 0, so A can take any value from 1 to 9. So what are the numbers of this form? Let's start with the lowest value of A. The lowest value of A is 1, 1. And then let's look at what are the possible values of B. So B can be 0, so one of the numbers is 1100. If A is 1, B is 2, we'll have 1122, then 1144, then 1166, and then 1188. These are the 5 possible values of the number when A is 1. What if A is 2? Then we'll have 2200, 2222, 2244, 2266 and 2288. This will be the possible values of the number when A is 2. And this will go on till A is 9. So if A is 9, the possible values of the number will be 9900, 9922, 9944, 9966 and 9988. These are going to be the possible values of the number. Now we have to figure out the sum of all these values, right? Now to calculate sum of all these values, let's break each of these numbers. Now 1100 is basically 1100 plus 00. 1122 is effectively 1100 plus 22. This is effectively 1100 plus 44. This is 1100 plus 66 and this is 1100 plus 88. Similarly, we can break all these numbers and here we'll have 9900 plus 00, 9900 plus 22, 9900 plus 44, 9900 plus 66 and 9900 plus 88. Now why did I break it like this? Let's see. Once you add all these numbers in the first row, what you get is 1100 gets added 5 times. So 5 times of 1100 plus this 00 has no value. So 22 plus 44 plus 66 plus 88. This is what you'll get. 22, 44, 66, 88. Right? Similarly, if you add all the numbers in the second row can be broken up as 2200 plus 00. This is 2200 plus 22, 2200 plus 44, this is 2200 plus 66 and this is 2200 plus 88. So if you add all the numbers here, 2200 will get added 5 times. So this will be 5 times of 2200 plus we'll have 00 plus 22 plus 44 plus 66 plus 88. So 22 plus 44 plus 66 plus 88. This is what you're going to have. And finally, if you add all the numbers in the last row, 9900 will get added 5 times. So we'll have 5 times of 9900 plus you'll have 22 plus 44 plus 66 plus 88. This is what we will have. Okay. Now since we have to add all these numbers, so we'll be adding all these rows. So far we have calculated sum of each row. To calculate the sum of all numbers, we will be adding all these rows here. Sum of all these rows. So if you add all these numbers, this is effectively 5 times of 1100 plus 2200 and so on. So 5 times of 1100 plus 2200 plus 3300 plus 4400 so on till 9900. Okay. Plus now you have 22. This sum is same. This term is same in each of these rows. How many rows we have? We have 9 rows. So this sum will get added 9 times. So we'll have 9 times of 22 plus 44 plus 66 plus 88. Okay. Now let's add all this. This is 5 times of. Now this is an AP of 9 terms. So sum of an AP is n by 2 into first term plus the last term. So first term plus last term is 11000. So this is the sum of the first part plus. Then you have 9 times of. Now this is also an AP. So AP, the sum of this AP will be n by 2, number of terms by 2 into first term plus the last term. First term plus the last term is again 110. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Let's take 110 into 9, these two factors common, right? And also let's take by 2 common. So 9 by 2 into 110. So if we take 9 by 2 into 110 common, we have 5 into 100 remaining here, 500 plus. And if we take 9 by 2 into 110 common, we have a 4 remaining from the second bracket. So this effectively becomes 500 plus 4, 504. So we have 9 by 2 into 110 into 504. Now what we need to calculate is the mean, as in the average of all these numbers. So this is the sum of all these numbers. The average of all these numbers will be the sum divided by number of numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers in each row and there are 9 rows. So there are total 45 numbers. So the average will be sum, which is 9 by 2 into 110 into 504, divided by the number of terms. The number of terms is 5 into 9, 45. Okay. So let's simplify this now. 110 goes by 2 55 times. 45 goes by 9 5 times. 11 goes by 55 goes by 5 11 times. So what we have, 11 into 504. So 11 into 504 will be 4 plus 0 4, 0 plus 4 4, 5 plus 0 5 and 5 plus 0 5. 5544. This is going to be the average of all these numbers, which is option D. So option D is the right answer here. Thank you.